Do you know about the food festival?
No.
Do you know about the festival of the food?
Actually, no idea.
Do you know about the food festival going on?
No, not really, no.
And you know the winning concept of the Lavir Hotel? If you spend...
Hala, kaifak habibi, welcome to Ham Amar TV. We are in the City Walk right now and we have a surprise going on. My brother let you know what's going on.
Yes guys, Dubai Food Festival is just started right now from 25th of March to till 17 April. So guys, you have a chance to stay at Laville Hotel and Suites in City Walk. So what you have to do is spend 150 dirham at any F&B food and beverage outlet at City Walk and take a picture of the receipt and send it to City Walk Instagram page and a Facebook page. Send him the direct message and you will get a chance to stay at Laville Hotel and Suites in the City Walk.
Guys, we are in the front of Hotel of Babaji. Let's go and ask some question with the clients who's sitting here for the food. Let's go. Hello, hi sir, how are you?
Hello.
How's it going on? How you like the City Walk here?
It's very good.
And what about this Babaji restaurant?
It's very good. It's the
very
first
good.
time, but it's a good experience.
Good experience.
Correct.
Do you know about the food festival?
No.
The food festival is going on. If you spend 150, you will get the chance to win a stay in a hotel Laville. Do you know about that?
No, I didn't know that.
If you spend, put your invoice on the Facebook of City Walk and the Instagram. You will get a chance to stay on the hotel.
Thank you for telling us.
How about the tea over here?
It's very good.
Have you ordered your food?
We finished.
We finished. Oh, that's great. It's the last time. Guys, the team over here, they already finished their food and they're just having their tea. We'll get back to you and we'll check another family over here. Hey guys, we are in the front of Farza Cafe and we find two families are sitting across the corner. Let them ask a quick question if they know about the food festival. Let's go. Guys, sorry to disturb you. A quick question for the food festival. Do you guys know about the promotion of food festival? If you spend... Oh, lovely. If you spend more than 150, you get the chance to stay in a Laville hotel. Take your invoice, take the picture, put it on the Instagram and Facebook directly to the City Walk.
Okay.
You will get the stay.
Yeah.
Laville Hotel. You guys are from?
Thank you so much. India.
You came first time in Dubai?
It's my first time.
Your first time?
No, fourth time.
Fourth time. So you guys are visitor here?
Yeah.
Oh, how the food you like here?
Food is amazing.
That's great. Thank you for your time, guys. They are from India and they don't know what about the food festival going on. So hopefully once they are upload the picture and definitely they will win the chance to stay in Laville Hotel. Guys, we are in the mall at the moment in City Walk. Whoever we ask, they don't know about the festival. So we are here to let them know what is the food festival going on and what they can win on spending of 150 dirhams. Let's go and have a look. We can find some other people to get them out. Do you know about the festival of the food?
Actually, no idea.
You don't know about it?
No.
You know, if you spend 150 on the food and beverage.
Actually, yes, I've seen a sign in Paparuti.
Yeah, every food and beverage, if you spend 150, upload the picture of the invoice on the Facebook and Instagram on it.
There is
Get the chance, get the chance to win on stay on Laville Hotel.
Yeah, but that's about it.
Yeah. So how often you come in City Walk?
We came for the cinema
Yeah.
and just for the food.
That's for the food.
Yeah.
You like in walking around in City Walk
Yeah,
every
of
day?
course we like.
Every time. Now
Not every time, we have work to do and only weekends.
Only on the weekend.
Yeah.
So it means this is the best place to stay.
Yeah, of course. Why not?
That's great.
I just arrived. It's the first time in here.
First time, when you arrived?
A few minutes ago.
From where you are?
Syria.
Syria.
Yeah.
Have you tried the food over here?
No, but I've been referred to one restaurant. I'll try it and see how it
You know there is a promotion going on. If you spend 150 on the food and beverage,
Is
you
it
will,
though?
yeah.
Yeah, where
You
is
have
that?
to any restaurant, food and beverage.
Cool.
Yeah, if you spend 150, just upload your invoice to Facebook and Instagram directly to the City Walk.
Okay.
You have a chance to win a stay in Laville Hotel. Yeah, that's great. Do you know about the food festival going on?
No, not really, no.
You don't know about it?
No, I don't know.
In the food festival, if you spend 150,
Okay.
food and beverage, upload your invoice to Facebook and Instagram of City Walk.
Okay.
You have a chance to win a stay in Laville hotel in Dubai.
Ah, okay. The Shiva, the restaurant there, yeah?
Yeah, any restaurant, food and beverage.
Okay, cool.
Oh, you don't know about that?
No, I didn't know about this.
Oh, lovely. You have a chance to win if you spend
Okay, I'll spend 1,000 then.
All right. Thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful evening. Yeah.
Cheers,
All right.
bye-bye.
Sir, welcome to City Walk. How you like the City Walk?
Yeah, very good.
How often you come here in City Walk?
Not very often.
Not very often. Do you know about the food festival here in City Walk?
Yes.
Do you know about that?
Yeah.
And you know the winning concept of the Lavir Hotel? If you spend 150, you have a chance to stay in Lavir Hotel. If you spend 150, upload your invoice directly on Instagram and Facebook of City Walk. You have a chance to win on this day. All right. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye. Guys, we have done a lot. We find people who are not able to answer the questions. Who are they answering us? We find it out, and it's not crowded today in Friday. So hopefully we find some people they answered, and definitely we'll find somebody on next Friday as well. So do comment, subscribe, like our channel, and find it out, and comment us below what you like and what you want more extra. We'll upload for you guys.